Hi everybody, I am going to discuss selective repeat ARQ. Subject is computer networking and the topics is error control. This is the third protocol, third ARQ. The first one is stop and wait ARQ, second one is go back in ARQ, and this one is the third one, that is selective repeat ARQ. Selective repeat ARQ. In this scheme, only those for which name is selective repeat, je problem hobe je frame seita repeat hobe, selective repeat. In this scheme, only those for which only those frame for which in a case are received, or for which timer has expired, in this scheme only those frame for which NAKs are received or which frame timer has expired. So this is selective repeat protocol. This is selective repeat. This is most efficient ARQ. This is most efficient ARQ. The sender must be capable of searching the frame for which the NAK has been received. The receiver, this is the concept. This is a sender case. Sender must be capable of searching the frame for which the NAK has been received. The receiver must contain the buffer. The receiver must contain the buffer for storage capacity. So there is a buffer that contains to store all the previously received frame. The receiver must contain the buffer to store all the previously received frame. This is the burden to the algorithm. This is the selective repeats. Selective repeat আমরা যেমন গো ব্যাক এনে যে কোনো একটা পার্টিকুলার গো ব্যাক এনে হয়েছিল কি আমাদের যে কোনো একটা ফ্রেমে প্রবলেম হলে বাকি সব কটা ফ্রেম পরপর আমাকে সেন্ড করতে হচ্ছে, বাট ইন সিলেক্টিভ রিপিট we have to select those frame that has not received or damage is there. So there are some cases of selective repeat. Number one is suppose there is a damaged frame. This is the first situation, damaged frame or corrupted frame. So this is the first situation. Again we have to draw the sender and receiver and the time frame. This is the sender computer and the receiver. Sender computer and this is the receiver and this is the time frame. Suppose frame 0 is sent. Now after frame 0 is received, an acknowledgement is sent to the receiver. Send the acknowledgement to the sender. Now frame 1 is sent. Now frame 2 sent, and there is an error, damaged frame 2. So frame 2 is damaged here. Now remaining যে আমরা বাকি ফ্রেমগুলো পাঠিয়েছিলাম, frame 3, frame 4, all are received. In case of go back in এখানে discard হচ্ছিল, but all are received one by one. Only negative acknowledgement set after the receiving of all the frame, after the receiving the acknowledgement of damage 4, corrected frame, after receiving the corrected frame 4, then it will send the negative acknowledgement, that is NAK2. After receiving the NAK2, send the particular frame 2 for the second time. So this is the selective repeat mechanism. Selective repeat for damage frame. That is, if the receiver receives a damage frame, during the transmission, it send the NAK for the particular frame. So this is the simple situation. And in this process, the receiver keep receiving. Go back and actually discarded হয়েছিল. Receiver keep receiving all the remaining frame. So this is the concept of damage frame situation in selective repeat ARQ. Now the second case, that is number 2 case, is lost frame. When lost frame is occur, this is the second case of selective repeat. When lost frame occur, what happened? This is the sender and this is the receiver. Frame 1 sends, suppose, and frame 2 is received and acknowledged. Frame 2 is received, acknowledged. Frame 3 is lost. When the frame 3 is not received by the receiver, then it will send the, after that time, it send the NAK2. When the time expire, it send the NAK2, and the sender send the frame 2 again. যদি ফ্রেম 2 এর পর ফ্রেম 3 again, ফ্রেম 3 এর পর যদি ফ্রেম 4 5 থাকতো, সেগুলো সব রিসিভ হতো, অনলি ফ্রেম 3টাকে রিসেন্ড করা হতো। তো ফ্রেম যেখানেই ফ্রেম লস্ট হবে, পার্টিকুলার সেই ফ্রেমের যদি এর মধ্যে আমরা দেখতাম যে ফ্রেম 3 ইজ লস্ট and there are frame 4 also, frame 4 keep receiving, frame 4 received, receiver keep receiving, frame 4 received by receiver, 5 received, and then after receiving NAK2, NAK3 actually, NAK3 because frame 3 is lost, then sender retransmit the frame 3 to the receiver, sender receiver. When a frame is lost, then receiver identify the out of order sequence number and send the negative acknowledgement, send the NAK for that frame, for that out of order, mean lost. So when a frame is lost, then receiver identify out of order sequence, mean আমরা 0 1 2 পাঠাচ্ছি, বাট 2টা পাইনি, 3 পেয়েছি, 4 পেয়েছি, তার 2টা নেগেটিভ অ্যাকনলেজমেন্ট রিসিভার পাঠিয়ে দেবে সেন্ডারকে, সেন্ডার তখন ওই সেন্ডটাকে সেই ফ্রেমটাকে সেন্ড করে দেবে। সো দিস ইজ দ্য লস্ট ফ্রেম সিচুয়েশন। অ্যান্ড দ্য লাস্ট ওয়ান ইজ লস্ট অ্যাকনলেজমেন্ট। Lost acknowledgement this is the third one. So this is the sender and this is the receiver, and the time frame. Sender sent the frame 1, frame 0 received, frame 1 received. Now frame 2 is received but acknowledgement is lost, SEK2 lost. Then the sender send the frame 3 keep receiving, sender send receiver keep receiving the remaining frame, suppose frame 3 and 4. After receiving all the remaining frame, then it will send the SEK for that frame